There are several ways to find the area of this regular triangle, but I'm going to just show one, the one that most students did in class. Since it's a regular triangle, all the angles are 60 degrees, and if we cut one of them in half by drawing this radius, then this will be a 30-degree angle. So we have a 30, 60, 90 triangle here. And if the side opposite the smallest angle, which is the smallest side, is 3, we'll multiply it times root 3 to get the long leg, and we'll double it to get the hypotenuse of that yellow triangle. Due to the symmetry, from this point to this corner is also 3 root 3, and the distance from the center to a corner is 6 for every corner. 6. From the center to the corner, 6. So the height of this triangle is 3 plus 6. So the height of the triangle is 9, and the base of the triangle is 3 root 3 plus 3 root 3, which is 6 root 3. Therefore, the area of the overall triangle is 1/2 times base times height, which is 1/2 times 6 root 3 times 9, which is our final answer, 27 times the square root of 3.